So we'll be talking about transformation formulae. See, we all know this already. How do you write 2 sin A? We know this. So what is, tell me what is 2 sin A cos B? You remember? Can you tell me from your result? What is 2 sin A cos B, children?
Sin 2a.
Sin?
2a.
No. That is 2 sin A cos A. You see 2 sin A cos B. Who can tell me? To sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, right? Class, are you there? Children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is that next one? We have written this already. What is 2 cos A sin B? Which is going to be the difference. 2, sorry, sin A plus B minus
sin A minus B.
You remember this, children? How we got all this? We have done this in the previous session. I want you to go through it. And what is 2 cos A cos B? 2 cos A cos B is what? Can you guess? Cos of
Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B.
Very good. It's plus cos A minus B. Govind, are you there? What is 2 sin A sin B, children? Two sin A sin B is going to be what?
Cos A plus B minus cos A minus B.
Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. You have to be careful here. You have to take it in the other way around. You see the results, you add it accordingly, you get it like this. Okay, so we are going to use it in this way. This can also be rewritten. This can also be rewritten like this. I told you, if you're taking, you remember we did like this. If you put, or if you take A plus B as C. We did this, A minus B as D. So what do I get as A from this? You simplify this too. What do you get as A? So this is in the form of n form. So you can say we know that. You can take it in
Sin A cos
yeah.
B.
2 sin A cos A. So, sorry, 2 sin A cos B is nothing but what?
Sin A plus B.
Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B.
Sin A minus B.
Sin A plus B plus
Sin A minus B.
sin A minus B. Okay. So what is this? Therefore, what is the result? Therefore, 2 sin 5 theta cos theta can be written as how? Sin of?
Sir, sin
Sin
6
6
theta
theta plus
minus
sin
sin 4 theta, sir.
Minus or plus?
plus
4 theta.
Okay. So this is simple only, right? You know how to convert it, and this kind of conversions you guys can do it easily. Suppose if I give you like this, you should be able to do it. Let's say 2 sin 3 theta sin theta. What's the answer? Tell me. Which result you will use here? Rendu sign irukku. If both are sine, which result you will use?
Sir,
2 sin A sin B.
minus
2 sin A sin B.
What is 2 sin A sin B?
cos
Cos A minus
Cos
B
A minus
minus
B. Cos A plus B.
Very good.
Plus B.
Plus or minus?
minus cos
Minus
A
cos
plus
A
B.
plus B.
So therefore, what is answer? 2 sin 3 theta sin theta. What do you get?
Cos 2 theta minus cos 4 theta.
Cos 4 theta.
So this basic conversions you should know. This is from product to sum. Okay, so we'll do some actual problem based on this. So let's do another question. Samyukta, are you there? The next question. Find the value of, which is there in the book in the other way. Find 2 cos pi by 13 cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. Go ahead and find the value. So let's do it. Consider 2 cos pi by 13. See children, today I cannot see the answers if you're texting me, so please speak. I'm not using alternative device, so I cannot go back and see your answers. So we have this. So first what we can do, you can consider this.
2 cos A cos B.
Very good. So what is 2 cos A cos B?
Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B.
Very good. So what is cos A plus B here? I get 10 pi by 13. Can I have it like this?
Plus cos of minus 8 by 13, which can be done by 8 by 13.
Yeah, I can write it like this easily. So plus I get cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. Now, how do you simplify this further, children? So this can be rewritten as, see here, cos 10 pi by 13 can be written as pi minus 3 pi by 13. Can I say that? See, I see a pattern here. Similarly, plus this can be rewritten as 8 pi can be written as pi minus 5 pi by 13. Can I say that? Can I write like this, children? So I need to pair it. I want you to learn this. Now what happens? What is cos pi minus theta?
Minus cos theta.
Fantastic. So this becomes minus cos
3 pi by 13.
3 pi by 13. Minus this becomes again cos
5 pi by 13.
This becomes cos. This
Zero.
simply 3. Final answer is 0. You happy? I'll give another question. You ready? Next question. Now, I'll try to give you a similar type of problem. Use your common sense. See if you can do it in an easy way. Okay. You can use, see, it is not necessarily that you have to use only this recent, whatever thing we have studied. You can also use the previous result. Find the value of sine 10 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 50 degree into sine 70 degree is equal to dash. Okay, let's do this. So consider.
Sir, I got 1 by 16.
That's what I'm expecting. How do you get that?
First, we have to put the value of sine 30.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have to take sine 10 and sine 50 together.
Very good.
And then we have to multiply and divide by 2.
Super, ma. Nice. I think you got it. Others, see, first initial thing what you have is sine 30 degree. 30 degree value, you group panikla. Then I'm going to group sine 10 degree and sine 50 degree. So that what happen if I add, I get at least sine 60. Clear? And I have sine 70 degree. So what is sine 60 value? Sine 60 is 1 by 2. And you have to understand, in order to use this result, I should multiply and divide by 2, right? So I get 2. Is that okay, children? $50, and you have sine 70 degree. So what is next? What do I get here? I get 1 by 4 times of, what is 2 sine A sine B? 2 sine A sine B. 2 sine A sine B is what, children? Cos of
A minus B.
Okay, a minus b. I can interchange the values, no problem. A minus b minus cos
A plus B.
a plus b. Sine 70 degree. So what do I get here? 1 by 4 times of. So I get cos 40 minus cos 60 degree into sine 70. So what is the value of this? What do I get here? Can I distribute it again? Value போட்டுக்கலாமா? So I get
Yes,
1 by 4 times of. I get cos 40 into sine 70 minus cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into sine 70. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Then what happens? 1 by 4 times. I think Samyukta, you did the same way, right? Again, you have to multiply and divide by 2. So, உள்ள என்ன வரும் அப்போ எனக்கு திரும்ப 2 sin A sin B ma. Sorry, 2 sin A cos B. அப்போ sin, can I say A plus B, which is 110 degree, plus sin A minus B. அப்போ என்ன வரும் sin 30 degree minus 1 by 2 times of sin 70 degree. So what happens if I take 1 by 2 outside? I get 1 by 8. Apo I get sin 110 degree plus 1 sin 30 is again 1 by 2 minus sin 70 degree. Make sense?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So which in turn I can reduce it. Every reduce panala, I can 8 1 by 8. So you see what I'm doing. Sin 110 can be written as 90 plus 30 plus 1 by 2 minus sin 70 degree. So which is nothing but 1 by 8 times of, what's sin 90 plus theta?
60.
Okay, instead of writing like this, if I use it in this way, you see, if I say 180 minus 70, now what do I get? I get sine
Sine 70.
sine 70 degree plus 1 by 2 minus sine 70 degree. So I get 1 by 8 times of 1 by 2. The answer is suppose 1 by 16. You should do it in this way. Do you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I give one more problem?
Yes, sir.
So consider, we'll do it together, this problem. So consider LHS. What is your LHS? 4 cos 12 degree, cos 48 degree, cos 72 degree. Can you tell me, children, how to do it? So what we
Sir,
consider
cos 12,
first?
cos 48 we can group and do.
Yeah. So can I take 2 times of 2 cos 12 degree and cos 48 degree? Can I take that 2 from here? Cos 72 degree. So now what is 2 cos A cos B? 2 cos A cos B is nothing but cos,
A plus B.
plus B.
which is 60 degree, plus cos A minus B, which is 36 degree. I can take it in the other way around. Again cos 72 degree. Children. Now what do I get here? If I simplify this, I get 2 cos 60 degree, cos 72 degree, plus 2 cos, what do I have here? Hmm.
degree
Hmm.
into cos 72 degree.
So what the best I can do here?
So cos value is
Substitute பண்ணா என்ன ஆயிடும்? You directா first நான் apply பண்ணிக்கிட்டுமா? First value na cos 60 value is
1/2.
1/2. I get cos 72 degree. Plus this I can apply the property again. What is 2 cos? See, I'm applying the result first here and then for here. So what do I get now? If I apply here, again cos. If I add it, I get 108, right? C plus D plus cos 36 degree. So this is nothing but cos of 72 degree plus cos 108 எப்படி எழுதலாமா? Cosல எழுதணும்னா நான் 180 minus 72 degree எழுதலாமா?
yes sir.
Plus cos 36 degree, which is nothing but, so இது ரெண்டு cancel ஆயிடும். Cos 72 degree
Minus
cos 72 degree plus cos 36 degree, which is equal to cos 36 degree, which is my RHS. Hence proved. You happy?